Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Alex. If you want to get fit, strong, and feel amazing, but don't have time for the gym, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you 5 powerful, full-body exercises you can do at home with no equipment. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Squats. Squats are great for your legs, glutes, and core. Stand shoulder width apart, go down like you're sitting on a chair, and come back up. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. Keep your back straight. Exercise 2. Push-ups. Push-ups are amazing for your chest, shoulders, and arms. Try 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Keep your core tight and body in a straight line. Exercise 3. Plank. Planks build strong abs and a powerful core. Rest your elbows under your shoulders and hold your body straight. Start with 30 seconds. Increase it every day. Exercise 4. Glute Bridges. This exercise targets your lower back and glutes. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips up. Squeeze at the top. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. Exercise 5. Mountain climber. Mountain climbers give you cardio plus core strength. Go into plank position and drive your knees toward your chest. 3 sets of 30 seconds. Go fast, but stay controlled. These 5 exercises work your full body and don't need any machines or weights. Do this workout 3 to 4 times a week and stay consistent. You'll see results. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more home workouts every week.